Hi guys, it's Robin and welcome back to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, we're going to be making this absolutely adorable personalized beach themed cake because that's right guys, summer is finally almost here and it's time to celebrate. So we're going to create our own little slice of paradise out of cake. Now let's get into it. Now today I'm going to be using two 8-inch chocolate cakes and I'm going to start by leveling out our layers. Then we're going to attach our cakes to our cake board and then we're going to fill that layer with some delicious chocolate buttercream. There, I filled it with lots of chocolate buttercream. Now, because this cake is chocolate, that means it's really dark, and I want to cover this cake with some lighter icing colors. So we're going to use some white buttercream for our crumb coat, and I'm going to cover this all up, and hopefully the chocolate won't show through. Alright, so to start we have a few decorations that are going to need some time to dry, so we have to start those first. So I'm going to begin with my little palm tree and then I'm going to move on to my little beach lounger. Now each of these little things that I make too, I'm going to cut all the little pieces out and set them to dry. And then once everything is firmed up, we're going to assemble everything later. And I just want to add to each of these little pieces, I've added a little bit of Tylo powder too to help them dry a little faster. Next we're going to make a little topper for our cake, and this one's going to need a little time to dry as well. So first thing we're going to do is roll out a little bit of yellow fondant, and I have some Tylo powder in this as well, and I'm going to cut out a little sun shape. And then I'm going to use my paper stencil that I created to write a little personal message inside. Alright, while we're waiting for those to dry, I want to finish icing my cake. So as you can see, I've mixed up a few different colors of buttercream. I have a sandy brown color, I have some white that I saved, I have a light blue, a medium blue, and a dark blue. So I'm going to start by marking off my little sandy beach at the top where I want it, and then I'm going to start working my way down the cake from lightest to darkest. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to take my offset spatula and I'm going to create a cool wave effect all the way around the side of the cake. Don't forget guys, if you're enjoying the video, hit them like and subscribe buttons and ring that bell if you'd like to receive a notification next time I post a new video. And now I'm going to use some crunched up graham cracker crumbs on top of the cake to make the sand look a little more realistic. There, I think that looks pretty good. So we're going to pop this in the fridge to chill for a little bit and we're going to finish up on our final decorations. And I'm also going to assemble our little beach chair and our little palm tree. my god, look at these. Aren't they cute? I absolutely love making miniatures. It's like one of my favorite things to do. They are so adorable. Alright, so we're gonna go grab our cake and we're gonna put everything together now. Okay, first I'm gonna add my palm tree, because once I decide where that's gonna go, then it should be a lot easier to figure out where everything else will look good. So we're just gonna stick that right here, I think. Now our little lawn chair underneath our tree for shade. We'll press that down so it sticks in. And to go with this, I also made a few other little decorations ahead of time because they're little tiny figurines. So I made 2 tiny little cats, a dog, and a little tiny crow. And we're just gonna place these where we want them. Well guys, here it is, my little tropical ocean paradise, and I think it turned out perfect. I absolutely love the little miniatures. I think they turned out so cute, and I really hope you guys all like them too. If you do, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell if you want to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.